Hi friends, it's Miss Kaitlyn and Hazel. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi friends. Okay, so I'm sure you all saw Miss Catherine's sensory bottle video. And so me and Hazel are gonna make a video using our orange juice. We finished off the orange juice today and we went on a nature walk and found some cool stuff, mainly flowers and rocks because that's her favorite. Are you ready? Oh no! Should I pick it up? Okay, let's get started. Oh, no. You can't play with those. So we'll put our lid there. You want to hold the bottle? All right, Hazel, can you put it in? Can you put your stuff in the bottle? Watch. You're not going to pour it. We're going to put it in. We found a flower. Can you put your flower in? Uh-oh. Put our flower in. Good job. Ooh, some other pretty flowers. We picked the orange one off of our neighbors, so it makes an excellent addition to our sensory bottle. We couldn't resist. Can you put it in? Good job, Hazel. Push. Good job. Okay. What else are we going to put in? Can you put your rock in? Oh, good job. What about this flower? Do you want to put that flower in? Can you say flower? Say flower. Or say rock. Nope, we're too focused. Yeah?
This is.
Oh, do you need help?
Oh.
Okay, I can help you. What about our helicopter leaf? Do you want to put our helicopter leaf in? I'm not sure what that is. I think it came off a wreath. So we'll add it. We found it on our nature walk. Okay, put it in. Good. What about this flower? This is a pretty flower. A bunch of yellow flowers. You want to put that one in? Good. I'm going to poke that one in. Can you push it in? Good job.
This is.
There it is. More rocks. We love rocks. You can put that in. Good job. What else do you want to put in there? You want to put the stick in? Can you say stick?
Stick.
Good girl. Poke it in. Good job. I think all the rocks are gone. Oh, did you find one? Good. What about this flower? Can you put that flower in? It's a dandelion. Good. Yeah. Yeah. Are you ready to add the water?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Let's add the water. Add the water in. All right. Uh-oh. Look, can you shake it? Is it heavy? Ready? Shake, shake, shake. What's all in there? What do you see? Do you see your flowers and your rocks? Good job. Okay, can you say bye?
Bye.
Can you blow kisses?